Hi guys, if you're considering getting TRT and do not know where to buy TRT online, then continue watching my video because I'll be sharing some information on Fountain TRT, one of the best sites for TRT. After doing some research and comparing a few options, I decided to give Fountain TRT a shot. I'll also provide a link to some great savings that Fountain TRT offers. Getting started with Fountain TRT was pretty straightforward. The first thing I did was fill out an online health questionnaire, and then I scheduled a consultation with a doctor, which was virtual. It was super convenient and thorough. Doing everything from home was great. The doctor took time to explain everything, including potential side effects and how TRT works. Once I was done with the process, the TRT got delivered to my house on time. It came with instructions, and if you have any questions, they have a great customer service. I had a couple of questions about my dosage, and they got back to me quickly. So I love Fountain TRT. Pricing is upfront with no hidden fees. They explained what I was paying for, included the medication, ongoing support, and shipping. The testosterone I received was pharmaceutical grade, and the packaging was discreet. For me, that was a big deal since I have roommates. Now, when it comes to their pricing, they aren't cheap, but well worth it. Their monthly fee is $199, which includes medication, virtual consultations, and ongoing medical support. Also, please keep in mind that Fountain TRT doesn't accept insurance, but they do accept FSA and HSA cards, which can be used to cover the cost. Okay, if you're looking for a reliable and legitimate source to buy TRT online, they're a good option. Even though I wish I had more customized treatment plan, but the peace of mind, professional service, and price transparency were worth it for me. Guys, I hope you liked this video, and don't forget the link.